The SBA is having a year this year. I gotta get some coffee. The SBA, or Small Business Administration, is a guarantor of loans in the world of small business. Obviously, right? This year there has been sweeping reform and slashes, unfortunately, that have made it a bit more difficult to attain these products. So what actually changed? First and foremost, the credit score requirements have tightened. Previously, the SBSS, or Small Business Scoring Service score, could be a 155 for qualification. Now they bumped it up 10 points to 165. There's also been the removal of what's called do what you do underwriting. In layman's terms, it means that banks actually had the final authority on what could be deemed credit worthy. Now banks are being forced to follow strict SBA guidelines, and they can't deviate from those. That means no more exceptions. They've also added back in SBA guarantee fees. In addition to that, hazard insurance is now required even for small loans. Previously, this only meant above $500,000. It has been dropped all the way down to $50,000 and above. Also, on the topic of small loans just got smaller. The SBA changed the definition of a small loan, which would fall under their 7A program, to now be under $350,000 as opposed to what was previously $500,000. What this means is anything above $350K is no longer as rapid and lenient as it used to be. It now is going to be treated as a standard loan, requiring more stringent underwriting procedures. They will also be adding more verification checks, otherwise known as no credit elsewhere. Boy, do I hate finger quotes, but it needs it. This essentially means that a business cannot have access to other funds or means of lending. Previously, personal finances were not included. Now, if you have a sizable savings account or an income that can fund the business, it will impact your ability to qualify. In addition to that, the Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, has made a commitment to reduce the SBA workforce by 43%, which is going to mean longer processing times, I'm sure of it. Now, am I saying all this to scare you and say that you can't get an SBA loan? Absolutely not. It just means now more than ever, you need somebody who knows these programs to guide you through the process. If you're looking at an SBA loan, be sure to DM me today and I'll walk you through everything you need.